Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayati. You call me Hidam. I'm here to present about active and passive voice. What do you mean by active? Active sentences, or in English also called active voice, are sentences in which the subject or preparator uses a verb or is doing an action. Formula active voice: subject plus verb plus object. Example: I wash the dishes. Saya mencuci piring. I wash subject, the verb, and dishes object. Next, issues of active voice. Number 2. Is the everything you make has urgency, and must the essay to uncertain and fast in cases. For example, introduction, prohibition, and so on. Number 2. If you want to read a formal writing like scientifics, you can use the active voice. This is due to the nature of passive synthesis, with that two-way loop with that twist that held the page. Number 3. Now paper writing. The to-the-point nature of the active voice will certainly improve a lot of sentences. It can also be useful to shorten the speech in the new paper. Number 4 is for writing contains many pages of variables. You should avoid using the passive voice. Next, passive voice. What do you mean by passive voice? Passive voice, passive sentences, or English also called passive voice, are sentences in which the subject or preparator does not take action but relieves action. In other words, now the appear as the object of the active sentences will appear as the subject of the passive sentences. Formula passive voice: object plus verb plus subject. Example: the dishes are being washed by me. Piring sedang dicuci oleh saya. Next, use of the passive voice. Number 1. When the subject or actor of a sentence is done. Number 2. When the subject or actor is irrelevant. Number 3. When to down, when to mention the subject early. Number 4. When you are talking about absolute truth. Number 5. You want to express the person or thing that is the target of the activity. Next, active sentences and passive voice according to tenses. With consist, simple present, simple continuous, present perfect, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, future continuous, and future perfect. Simple present. Formula active voice: subject plus verb es plus object. Example: my sister down driven earth paintings every single day. Passive voice object plus to be is MR past participle plus by is. Example, earth paintings are done every single day by my sister. Present continuous. Formula active voice subject plus to be is MR plus thing plus object. Example, the maid is cleaning up the living room. Passive voice object plus to be is MR plus being plus passive participle plus by is. Example, the living room is being cleaned up. Present perfect. Formula active voice subject plus has, have plus past participle plus object. Example, my father has done various series of daily dishes. Passive voice object plus to be has, have plus been plus past participle plus by is. Example, various of daily dishes has been done. Next, simple past. Formula active voice subject plus verb to plus object. Example, the doctor at the hospital injects medicine into the patient's blood vessel. Passive voice object plus to be has, were plus past participle plus by s. Example, medics which injects into the patient's blood vessel. Next, past continuous. Formula active voice subject plus to be was, were plus wing plus object. Example, the staff was taking out the supplies from the food store. Passive voice object plus to be was, were plus being plus past participle plus by is. Example, the supplies from the factory were taken out. Next, past perfect. Formula active voice subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Example, soldiers had asset persons guest token has that of honor. Passive voice object plus had plus been plus past participle plus by is. Example, poisonous gas had been used to kill hostages of honor. Next, simple photo. Formula active voice subject plus will plus have one plus object. Example, I will do my art project after dinner. Passive voice object plus will plus be plus passive participle plus by is. Example, my art project will be done after dinner. Next, future continuous. Formula active voice subject plus will plus be plus thing plus object. Example, the staff will be cleaning the hotel room at 10 am. Passive voice object plus will plus be plus being plus past participle plus by is. Example, the hotel room will be cleaned at 10 am. Next, future imperfect. Come formula active voice subject plus will plus have. Example, by next month the selection panel will have reviewed your application. Passive voice, object plus will plus have plus been plus past participle past by s. Example, by next month your application will have been reviewed. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.